You are not happy. So
No,
you
sir.
got how much?
I get 13.
So it is improved, right? Better than before.
Higher.
Previously you got 11. Now you got 13. So 2 increased. Isn't it? Faiza? So are you happy with this increment? Huh? Faiza, are you happy with this increase?
Sir, I think she has some problem with her mic. Sir, she said
Okay,
one increase.
1 increased. Okay, fine.
It
So
was
one, at least 1
13.
increased. What about you, Ravi? How much? How much your
Sir, আমার
increased?
increase, sir, 3 marks increase.
Okay, that's
It
not
was
bad.
12,
So how
now
much you got now?
15.
15. Okay, it's improved.
Yes.
Sir,
You
I'm
will
not
see.
satisfied, sir.
You are still not
I
satisfied.
made a
We will see the mistake.
I made a very silly mistake. Two silly mistakes. Like
Okay,
it
you
was a rush
saw
time.
you saw everything,
Yes,
right?
sir. I now I want to kick my ass.
Yes, yes. Check. Your one is showing on the screen. Check. Ah,
Yes, sir. I
you
just
got,
it was I thought it was in 1 minute. That's why.
okay. This one, huh?
Yes, sir.
So calculate the mass of water leaving the shower in 1 second. So here you did the mistake. And can you check your email that I gave you this feedback? It is going there, the
Yes, sir.
correction.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So
Correct
I
one
think
is
this is
going.
useful for you, right? If I give you the feedback.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I introduced this part, and if you can see it from email, then it is easier for you to understand why you did mistake, right? The major mistakes you did, right?
But sir, giving
Yes, sir.
exam in the phone was little bit difficult, sir, for physics. As managing time and writing the
If
answer
if
was little
you
bit
if you
difficult.
have the time problem, you should inform me. That day I told you also that that
Yeah,
day
yeah, sir. I also have the
I
time
have
problem,
given
sir. Yeah.
you
Sir, I rushed through these
more
math
than 15
questions.
minutes, right? When Pfizer told I need 5 minutes, then I gave you more than 15 minutes extra. So time is there to support you. I can support you
No,
with
sir,
this
I
time.
thought that the exam will be closed. That's why I submitted a little bit after time, like
Yes, sir.
Okay,
2
That's
then
why.
minutes.
in this case you inform me, okay, beforehand, because it is
Okay, sir. This one and
because
this one I understand.
I control it
Yeah, yeah.
manually. So if you want time, then I can improve the time. Okay, increase the time. So this one, look, you got previously 14. Now you got
Yeah. 18.
18. Why? Because of this. I gave here ECF. ECF means error corrected forward. Uh,
What?
Error you write in your copy, error corrected forward. Everyone write. ECF means error.
ECF means error.
Don't say error, say error. Error corrected forward. Error corrected forward. So this error you are getting because of the previous error, isn't it? Muhammad
Which
Saab,
previous error, sir?
Oh,
because
sir, linked question.
you are taking the mass from here and you got here the mass wrongly. When you put this value here, the next part of the question, your answer came wrong. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
But your process, your formula, everything is correct. That's why we gave here full marks.
No, sir. If just if it was in 1 minute, then it was okay, right, sir? Like for 1 minute, the answer is okay.
That one is different subject. Why
Yeah.
you are making another argument? You just try to
Nah, sir.
understand. You try to understand that your previous answer was wrong. That's why this
That's
answer
why.
came wrong. And for this reason, we gave you error corrected forward. Otherwise, you will get 0. Is it clear? Because your
Yes, sir.
formula, your process, everything is correct. Only you did mistake before, and for that one, you already got penalty, right?
Yes, sir. I
Isn't
got
it?
1 mark penalty.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
for that reason, already you got the penalty. For the same wrong, we are not giving you penalty twice.
Oh,
Is it
thank you
clear?
very much, sir.
We are
I
so kind.
appreciate.
We are so kind
Yes,
on
sir.
you. Cambridge is so kind on you. Okay. And it is the
No,
process
sir.
of
Cambridge is not kind, sir. Cambridge kept us, sir. Cambridge kept
no,
us. Yeah,
this rule made by Cambridge. You should be also grateful to them because I also learned it from them. Is it clear? In our
Yes, sir.
country, if you are going for
What is
national
the rule, sir?
curriculum, then your wrong answer is wrong. Everywhere you are getting 0. Do you know it?
Yes, sir.
So
But in Cambridge,
yeah, you are getting partial marking and you are getting also error corrected forward marking.
so sir, see, Cambridge is so hard, sir. It shows.
Hmm? Cambridge is
This shows that Cambridge is very hard,
who
harder
said?
than normal.
Yeah, hard
Because
work
sir,
is
they are considering.
it is hard work for us. It's not hard work for you. You are doing the same way you are doing. When we are assessing you, that time it is hard work for us. Look, here we have joule per kg in your answer. But they are asking you calculate the energy needed.
Oh yeah.
So
This.
I gave you this feedback. Next time you don't
Yes,
do
sir.
this mistake. For this one, I did not cut any marks. Okay, but
Actually, sir, I was giving the exam from mobile. That's why I was
okay,
I did these
you
things at
see,
last. I was doing the
don't
theory parts first. That's
don't
why.
give this lame excuse. Okay, you wrote the
Sir,
unit wrongly. That's it. Just take this
wait,
note.
sir. জলদি স্যার ওটা তো স্যার
Listen,
জলদি জলদি করতে যেতে স্যার করে দিচ্ছি
listen.
ঝামেলা
To
লাগে, sir.
write joule is easier than to write joule per kg. So don't make another explanation. You did wrong. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, don't hide your mistakes. Okay, try to admit your mistakes, then it will improve you. Okay, now this one,
Okay, sir.
like the some other questions, we brought the idea from previous topic. Okay, like we brought the idea of density here. In your worksheet we brought the idea of many other things like kinetic energy, then how to convert kinetic energy to find the speed from the kinetic energy formula. We got that one, right? So similar way we got here
Yes, sir.
the idea of conduction, like how or in which process thermal energy is gained by the ice from the air. So it is ice. Ice is solid, right? So in solid,
Yes, sir.
if it is only air, if it is only liquid, then it is convection. But if it is from air to ice, then it is conduction. Is it clear to you?
Air
Hello. So here we
air
are
to ice
getting,
is
Yeah, air to ice or water to ice or water to liquid, water to any solid, that is conduction. Okay, that means if you are going for any solid, heat transfer in solid, then it is conduction. Is it clear?
No, sir, it is not clear, sir. Sir, what is the definition of conduction, sir? Conduction or
Conduction,
condensation?
conduction, you're right, conduction. It's not
अरे
condensation.
solid and
Heat,
दे दे जाए
there are three process of heat transfer. One is conduction, another one is convection, another one is radiation. Can you remember? We did it. Huh? In topic 9, we did it. Transfer of thermal energy, topic 9.
ওরে আল্লাহ আমারে
তার
উঠায়
আগের
নাও
চ্যাপ্টার গুলো এগুলো এখানে আসে সব
Yes,
জ্বালায়
you
স্যার
should
আগে
have
একটু
this
বলবেন
idea.
না স্যার
Link with I gave you some examples that there might be some ideas you will get from
আর আমি
previous
ভাবছি
topics.
এই চ্যাপ্টার থেকেই তাই আমিও মেল্টিং
No, we will not say that one. You should have this basic knowledge. We expect it from you. 1 mark, 2 marks, we will test you from there.
ওকে স্যার can you just write it, sir?
Yeah, it's written here. Correct answers. You're right.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
But sir mailed us this.
Hmm?
So you gave us the correct answer, right, sir? In the mail.
Which one?
Sir, you mailed us the correct answers also, right, sir?
I can't.
No.
No,
I can't be
email.
confirming you. You have the correct answers. Can you check, please?
Okay, sir, I'm checking.
Yeah, you have. Please check. Then our time will be, saved. We can go faster because the other students they also need to see. So done this one. Did you check?
No, sir.
Is it there? Correct answer is there. Rabi?
No, sir. In my one, correct answer was not there.
yes my one also not good.
Yeah, if I give you correct answer, then during exam time you can write the correct answer by seeing my one. Okay.
Sir, the correct answer is not there, but individual feedback only.
Yeah, individual feedback is there.
Yes.
Yeah, some of the questions I gave you feedback. Okay, now this one I accepted it because you gave vapor,
Sir,
oxygen.
vapor
Yeah,
bubble,
it should
vapor
be,
bubbles.
Yeah, it should be water vapor. Okay, should be water vapor. I gave you the feedback. You check.
Yes, sir.
Then.
Sir,
here I
vapor
give-
bubbles means same thing. Almost same things, right? Vapor bubbles,
Listen.
water vapor or vapor bubbles.
Don't color your answer. Okay. You.
No, sir.
You wrote what I know. It's written oxygen. So
Sir,
the main thing you gave, that is oxygen. Right. So in bracket, what you are writing, that's not important. Out of the bracket, that is important.
oh,
So,
okay. Then
however,
I should write.
I showed you mercy. I gave you mark. That's why you should be thankful and you should check the.
Yes, sir. I am
individual
thankful.
feedback. Okay.
I am very thankful.
Okay. Now you see, I gave you here well done, then excellent. Okay, done. Your paper is done. So you got 2 mistakes.
Sir,
You
what is the
understood-
sir? Can you show me the last question, sir?
Yes.
Sir, what is my mistake here, sir? In your portion.
You don't have any mistake. I gave you excellent. Your answer is
Oh, okay,
awesome.
Then, sir, is a cross mark here, sir. Red color.
cross marks
Red color
because of the system. It is the Google Form system that the answers, the way I wrote correct answers, you wrote in different way, but idea is same.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Now you are happy, right, Mohammad Saad?
Yes.
You are too much happy now, I see.
Okay, okay. No, I don't. I'm not happy.
Again, you are going
আরেকটু
to
ভালো
your
করতে
previous point. Okay, now,
আমি আরেকটু ভালো করতে পারতাম স্যার
yes, Shafkat, Shafkat, are
Yes,
you
sir,
ready?
বলেন।
Pen and
না,
paper.
sir.
Okay, look, all are correct here. Here, you wrote how much? 4.6. So here you will get 1 mark less, right? You gave your 4.6 kg. So 1 mark will be less here. Do you understand why it is less? Shafkat,
Yes, sir.
you got the feedback, right, for this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, feedback is your answer should be 0.077.
Mm-hmm.
And this one I gave you ECF. Then here you got 0. Why 0? Because you are defining latent heat. This is one mistake. You are not defining specific latent heat. Specific latent heat, you should bring the,
দেখি নাই স্যার
yeah,
খেয়াল করিনি।
you should see it. The specific, you should mention 1 kg, right?
and sir the constant temperature is not also
Without any,
constant temperature.
yeah, he
I mean,
did
Yeah,
not
without any
mention.
temperature change.
Yeah, we also need this information at constant temperature. So two points should be there, these 2 points. So you understand your mistake, right?
Yes, sir.
This one is correct. Then this one. You got here conduction, already it is explained. Okay. Then here I accepted it, but the appropriate answer is water vapor. Then this one is correct. I said
Sir,
you,
I have a question, sir. Sir, I have a question in that one, sir.
which one?
Sir, that water vapor, sir, air one, sir, air one. Yes, sir. The liquid boils for long time. There are bubbles within the boiling water. State what is inside bubble. Sir, what is inside bubble? There is something like air or oxygen, like inside the bubble. Like it is saying that water vapor. Then what?
Yeah,
Can you just explain
actually,
this thing, sir?
actually this bubble we are see inside the water, right?
Yes, sir.
So inside the water, as the water is boiling, so it is more likely that, and we know boiling is occurring throughout the liquid, right? Within the liquid.
Yes, sir.
So it is more likely that the gas we are getting, that gas is from water vapor due to boiling. Is it clear now?
Oh, yes, sir.
So these are correct, Shafkat?
Sir, how much did Safkat get?
Shafkat will get 15. Yeah, 15. So I'm sending your score again. Is corrected. Okay, now next one is Ravi's one, right? Ravi?
Yes, sir, Rabi.
So Shafkat. Hello,
Sir.
Shafkat. Are you happy with your marks or you are a little bit sad?
না স্যার ল্যাটেন্ট হিটটা স্যার কি করলাম স্যার? আমি স্পেসিফিকটা দেখলাম না কি করব?
Okay, okay. Next time you be careful. No problem.
2
So
মার্কস
here,
পেয়ে গেছি
Ravi,
স্যার। হ্যাঁ,
your one you are checking, right? I
Yes,
gave
sir,
you
I'm
here
seeing.
excellent. Then here you got 0. How you got 276?
Sir, I said, sir, time, sir, I rushed. Then I messed up a lot of information together.
And another point, are you sharing the answer with others?
No, sir, not every
If
time.
you did so before, please from now on you don't do, because maybe
No,
maybe they would be correct if you don't share with the correct process. Yeah, so you understand it, how to do it, right? You have to use the formula of mass equals density into volume. Okay, so
Yes, sir. After
use,
exam
yeah,
finished, I did this again.
yeah, so you are
Then I
having
understood.
here, yeah, the formula of density, and it is in
Yes.
1 second. That is another working, so 2 workings are there. Now
Okay.
we have here ECF again, because your
Okay.
that value you use to calculate this one, Q
এত
equals
বড়
MC
কি
del
হচ্ছে?
theta. Here you got
Latent heat wrong.
latent heat. You did not mention this one without any temperature change at constant
Oh my
temperature.
God.
Is it clear?
স্যার এই কোশ্চেনটা
Yes.
দেখেন না স্যার, মাথা ঘুর মানে
Sir, 1 kg mention করছি sir.
Yes, for
Abar-
that you are getting 1 mark.
পাক সাফকা তুই আর কষ্ট পাইছ না।
Shavkat, it's part of life. Don't worry that much. Just
Yes,
be
sir.
stronger. That in next time you are not doing the similar mistakes. Okay.
I'm liking the mistake.
So your this one is absolutely correct. 1650 joules. Thank you. Then this one already we discussed. It is conduction.
Yes, sir. Conduction.
Yes. Then kinetic energy you wrote. It should be what you know.
Water vapor.
Vapor. This one you did a little mistake, that is writing the unit. There,
Sir, it was not possible in phone, sir.
just you write joule per kg. Why you gave this one?
Okay, sir.
I think he was thinking about that which one? Latent heat capacity.
Look here, we have joule per kg this way or this way. Is it clear? I gave you the feedback. You take it, and everyone, for everyone, look, his answer is not like your one, but his one is also correct. How? Because he changed this gram to kg. If you are keeping joule per gram, then it is 2300. This 20 gram,
Yes, sir.
this 20 gram, Ravi changed to kg, right, Ravi? That's
Yes,
why
sir.
he got this answer. So this answer is also correct. Is it clear, everyone?
yes,
So
sir.
we are having all the options here. Look, the Ravi's this answer is also there in our correct answer. 2.3 into 10 to the power 6 joule per kg. Okay, this one, Ravi, though I
Yes,
gave
sir.
you here 2, actually the heat is taken from the liquid, right? The remaining liquid. So you wrote here beaker loses heat. It will be more appropriate if you write beaker water loses
The
heat.
water loses heat. Okay, so the inside content loses heat.
Yes. Is it clear now?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir, I understood all the mistakes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this one is also helping you. You see, if you are writing the test, then you can assess yourself that how much expertise you have now. Faiza is there, or she
No,
left?
sir, only
Nobody,
we three.
sir. Agree with
He's having problem with the internet, sir.
So, how much time is left? We have around 10 minutes, right? So,
Yes, sir. 10
can
minutes.
we continue that topic now? Waves?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can finish it now. So, you take your paper and pen and you continue this part. Here we did refraction, right? Isn't it? In refraction, we got bending of wave, right? Hello?
sir, only 2 minutes, 1 minute left.
No, our class is 40 minutes, right?
Sorry, 55, up to 50. Yes, sir, sorry.
It's
I thought
not
40.
55, it's still 50 hour class. Your next class will be after 5 minutes, that is 155. Our class will
Oh,
be till 150.
oh,
So
150.
you got the idea what is called refraction, right? And also you got the idea what is called reflection, isn't it? Now we are going to discuss reflection in sound. Hmm. So you write here the heading reflection of sound. We will try to understand from this experiment that law of reflection, we are having I equals R, that one is also followed for sound. Yeah, Shafkat, can you read these points?
So reflection of sounds means that the echoes, right, sir? The echo.
Yes, yes, yes. Shafkat,
Yes, sir.
can you read this 4 points?
Yes, sir. If we clap our hands in a street surrounded by high buildings, we will hear an echo. Shouting or clapping in a canyon also gives an echo. An echo sounder is used to detect the seabed and underwater objects like shoals of fish and wrecks.
Okay.
Ultrasonic scans are used to check on unborn babies.
Okay, you said echo, right?
Yes, sir.
So it should be echo. From
Echo.
now on, you pronounce this way, echo. Huh?
Okay.
English is a stupid language, right? Uh, if you are going to some places and you are saying echo, then people will laugh. Okay, now next. Can you continue next part?
Okay. Yes, sir. We can investigate the law of reflection of sound by the following simple experiment. Mount a piece of hardboard vertically and lay two cardboard tubes on the bench in front of it. 10 centimeter diameter tubes that have been used for carpets are ideal. Put a clockwork watch or clockwork kitchen timer in one tube and put your ear against the open of the other tube. When the angles between the two tubes and the hardboard are the same, you should hear a loud ticking, proving that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection for sound.
So I think you understand from the discussion how it is
Hmm.
proved. If you are keeping this, this one is cardboard tubes. Okay, these two are cardboard tubes, and we have any sound source here. They showed here watch or buzzer. You just write here sound source. Okay, and this sound source is going to this board. Then if you are keeping your ear here only, then you can hear this sound. If you move this, like this cardboard tube, if you are moving right or left or anywhere except this place, then you cannot hear the sound. So it is the proof.
Sir, do you need to draw this diagram?
Yes, it is the proof that the sound wave, it is also following law of reflection. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Hello, I am just writing the description in short. The way I said, I am writing it in short here. You also can take the notes. While you are drawing, you also draw this way. This one and this one. Here, I, angle of incidence from normal. Huh? This is R, angle of reflection. It is normal. You label it as normal. Are you doing, everyone? Shafkat, Rabi,
Yes, sir.
are you writing this?
No,
Drawing
sir.
this? So why you are not writing?
Oh, sir.
Draw
I
it.
don't know.
Draw it.
We have.
Yeah, draw it. You wrote the heading that reflection of sound. Then you draw this diagram, write the caption. Then write what I'm writing here.
Sir, I'm writing with. I'm drawing with pencil.
No problem. You write with pen. If you change the position of ear, you will not be able to hear reflected sound. You will not be able to hear reflected sound, which proves sound also obeys law of reflection. What is the law? Law is I equals R. I equals R. That's it. So, Mohammad Saad,
Yes, sir.
how many pages you got for writing this topic, general wave properties?
Sir, I need to count, sir.
Okay, count then. With this page,
Okay.
the last one, how many pages?
Okay, sir, give me 1 minute.
Rabi, are you doing? Hello, Rabi.
Yes, sir.
Are you writing?
I'm writing this one, sir.
Yes.
Right now.
Writing this one and also draw this diagram. Yes, Mohammad Saad.
Sir, finish.
Yeah, Saad, how many pages?
সাত গুনতে এত লাগে? তুই কি পুরো বই খেয়ে শেষ
Sir, 14 pages, sir. 14 pages.
For only general wave properties, 14 pages.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you do one favor
Like-
for me? You will.
No, sir. Sorry, sir. 13 pages.
Okay, fine.
Actually,
yeah.
I made some gaps, like for reflection of sound, 1 page,
Okay,
and the
okay,
reflection
no problem.
of
So can you please send me the PDF format of all these pages in one file in my email in your convenient
Okay, sir.
time by tomorrow? Is it
Okay, sir.
possible?
Yes, sir. It is
Okay.
absolutely possible. Sir.
Thank you so much. Now, what you said about the revision, like recapping the whole topic, I think this 2 minutes not enough for
Yes, sir.
recapping. You need also 5 to 7 minutes. So in our next
Or more.
class, we will go for the revision or recapping the whole topic. And today I'm uploading
Yes, sir.
now, uploading the worksheet. You try as much as possible. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you
Yes, sir.
try the worksheet. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.